Today, I'll walk you through how to upload music on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add your favorite tunes to your snaps so you can share your unique vibe with friends. First, let's open your Snapchat app. This is the gateway to all your creative expressions, so go ahead and tap on that familiar yellow ghost icon on your device. Once you're in the app, look towards the right corner of your screen. You should see a music icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where the magic begins. Next, you'll want to click on My Favorites. This section is like your personal playlist, filled with the sounds you love most. If you haven't added any favorites yet, don't worry, we're just getting started. Now tap on Create Sound. This step is crucial because it allows you to upload your own music. Think of it as opening the door to your own personal music studio right within Snapchat. It's exciting. After that, you'll see an option that says Upload from your camera roll. Tap on that. This is where you can select the music file you want to share. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently, and the process remains quite similar. Once you've selected your music, it's time to finalize everything. You can add any additional effects or filters to your snap, making it truly yours. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded music to Snapchat. Now you can share your snaps with your favorite tunes playing in the background, creating a more engaging experience for your friends. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.